Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. You must have seen the questions like solve x to the power 4 is equal to 64, or x to the power 5 is equal to 100, or x to the power 6 is equal to 144. Today we are going to derive a formula using which you can solve all these questions within seconds. And also using this pattern and the solution, you can create your own questions and the answers as well. Before we start, just one humble request. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and please do not forget to press the bell icon for all upcoming notifications. So without wasting any more time, let's derive this formula for all these pattern of questions. So now the question is x to the power m is equal to 4m square. If you observe carefully the left hand side of this equation, you can see there are two x is present and only one m is present. So to make the uniformity of the left hand side, let's put 1 to the power m on the left hand side, and as we are putting 1 to the power m in the left hand side, we have to put 1 to the power m on the right hand side. So let us rewrite this equation as x to the power m. We have to put 1 to the power m on the left hand side, and same to the power m we have to write on the right hand side. Now we know a formula that a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n is equal to a to the power n to the power m. So let us apply this formula here. We can consider this as m and this as n. So applying this formula, we can rewrite this equation as x to the power m, that is x to the power m, into n, that is m, is equal to 4m square whole to the power m. Now as this is m and this is n, then we can again rewrite this as x to the power n to the power m is equal to 4m square whole to the power m. Now let us consider x to the power m is equal to t. Hence we can rewrite this equation as t to the power t is equal to 4m square whole to the power m. Further simplifying this equation, we can rewrite this as 4m square. We know it is as 2m whole to the power 2, that is 4m square, and to the power m is already present. From the above formula, we know that a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Hence here we can say that 2m to the power 2 to the power m. If we consider this as m and this as n, then we can write this as 2m to the power m into n. So now the equation is t to the power t is equal to 2m to the power 2m, and there is a formula that if a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, then a is equal to b. So applying this formula here, a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, then we can write a equal to b. As you know from the top that t is equal to x to the power m, so we can write here x to the power m is equal to 2m, and value of x, it will be 2m to the power 1 by m. Hence this is the formula for all these pattern of questions. Now let us solve some of the questions. So we have derived the formula as if x to the power m is equal to 4m square, then the value of x is equal to 2m to the power 1 by m. Now if the question is x to the power 4 is equal to 64. Let us find if this question is falling under this pattern or not. So if you see, this is 4 and 4 into m square, it means 4 into 4 square, that is 16. 16 to 4 is 64. Hence we can say the value of x is equal to 2m, that is 2 into 4, 8 whole to the power 1 by m, that is 4. So the answer is 4th root of 8. Isn't it so simple? Now let us solve another problem, that is x to the power 5 is equal to 100. So let us find if this question falls under this pattern or not. Then this is 5, and if you calculate 4m square, that is 4 into 5 square, that is 25. 25 into 4 equal to 100. Hence the value of x is equal to 2m, that is 2 into 5, that is 10 whole to the power 1 by m, that is 1 by 5. So the answer is 5th root of 10. Let us solve another question, that is x to the power 6 is equal to 144. Let us try to find out whether this will fall under this pattern or not. This number is 6, that is m. So we need to calculate 4m square. 4 into m, that is 36. 4 into 36 is 144. Hence it is falling under this pattern. Hence if you want to find out the value of x, it will be 2m, that is 2 into 6, that is 12 whole to the power 1 by m, that is 1 by 6. So it means it is the 6th root of 12. I hope now you can make your own question according to this pattern, and also you can find the solution within seconds. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.